Well, American women didn't win the right to vote until 1920. By then, freed slaves had been voting for 50 years. What does tonight mean to Hillary Clinton? We asked her in her only interview with running mate Tim Kaine for 60 Minutes.
What will be accomplished if you are elected the first woman president of the United States?
I think it would be a great moment for our country because every little boy and every little girl should be given the chance to go as far as his or her hard work and talent might take them. I see it in the eyes of little girls who come to my events. They're so excited and they're so proud because maybe they just discovered we haven't had any girl presidents. Mm-hmm. A lot of them go to restaurants where there are placemats and all of the presidents are men, and then they start asking questions. I just think it will be another step on our journey as a nation, making it clear that this country is open to everyone. Our diversity is a strength, not a basis for condemnation and despair. And to accept that nomination, I'll be thinking about all the women who came before. The suffragettes, the women who knocked their heads against all kinds of barriers and broke through in everything from, space to politics. And I hope that it gives other women and girls the feeling that whatever their dreams might be, they can achieve them in this country.
CBS News live coverage of Hillary Clinton's acceptance speech begins at 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 Central. We'll be joined right here by Norah O'Donnell, Charlie Rose, Gayle King, John Dickerson, and Bob Schieffer.